motherboard, the MSI Pro B550M VC Wi-Fi. This motherboard. And for the CPU, we're going with the Ryzen 5 5500, a very budget 6-core 12-thread CPU, 32 gig RAM, which is this is the Evo Potenza. For the case, you're going with a Sky Gaming PC case that supports 360 AI cooler. White case, all white PC case, and this build is going to be all white. We have a white power supply, white AI cooler, and a white GPU. The only thing that is of color here is just the board. Combining this build with a 1TB WD Green NVMe SSD to deliver a very fast speed